70 Nigerian girls who were trafficked abroad have safely returned to Nigeria after a donation of 20 million naira by a social media activist, Martins Vincent Ose, better known as Very Dark Man (VDM). VDM shared an emotional video online showing the girls arriving in Lagos State. He had earlier donated a large sum to NAPTIP, the National Agency for the Prohibition of Trafficking in Persons, to support their rescue and return. In the video, VDM said he rushed from Abuja to Lagos after getting an urgent call. He praised Allen Oyema, the owner of Airpeace, for helping fly the girls back at no cost. VDM revealed that Oyema even lost 300 million naira because the trip was delayed, and he also paid for the girls' medical treatment. VDM said it was heartbreaking to discover that 2 of the girls were pregnant. He called on the Nigerian Immigration Service to make border security strong to stop more girls from being trafficked.
That's a good thing that the ladies are back from Ivory Coast. I'll just go straight to the point. The problem is the borders are porous. The borders are porous, the immigration are not doing too much. They waste their time with bag of rice that is coming into Nigeria and contraband goods, We have more problems. Because of the porousness of the border, you have insecurity in the country, terrorism and all. It's not only bag of rice. The immigration needs to expand what they do with their time. How come over 200, 500 girls are leaving Nigeria almost every day?
However, Nigerians on social media celebrated the good news. Many praised VDM, Allen Oyema, and NAPTIP for their efforts. It's worth noting that VDM had earlier spoken out against Abike Dabiri for not doing enough to stop the trafficking of Nigerian girls. Though some people who criticized VDM in the past may now see him as a hero for helping these girls return home. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.